G'day guys and girls, it's John Micheludis here, and I'm excited because today we are releasing our third Excel ebook. It is our biggest ebook with 600 pages, and we cover the 101 ways to master Excel pivot tables. Now, with this ebook, you're going to advance your Excel pivot table and analytical skills, and that is going to reduce your repetition, your stress, and hours of overtime. And once you learn a few of these tips, then you're going to exponentially increase your chances of a promotion, a pay rise, or a new job. Excel pivot tables are very powerful. Not many people know how to use it, but in this ebook, I go through every feature that is available, and you're gonna be a master just by grabbing this ebook and applying a couple of tips only. So let's get into it of what you're going to get in a table of contents. As you can scroll down here and click there. First of all, we'll go through how to create a pivot table. Then we go through the different ways to customize a pivot table. There's a lot of customization tools there, and we'll go through, as you can see there. Then we'll go through different calculations. First of all is summarize values by. So there you can summarize by count, by averages, maximum, minimum. That is awesome. But what is even better is show values as. These are powerful calculations. You can analyze, for example, difference from last year, from last month, or from last week. You can also do a running total in to see how your sales are going. You can rank the smallest to largest, or you can get a percentage of a grand total. There's 15 different ways to do calculations, and we go through each and every one of them. Then we'll go over grouping. You can group by dates, by sales, by text, a lot of grouping features, and it's a great way to analyze your data without using any formulas. Then we go through sorting, how to sort your pivot table, and filtering. Now, filtering is great, and we extend it to slices. So what slices are interactive buttons where you can click the button and it filters your pivot table. It is amazing. You can create dashboards like this, and we'll show you how to do that. Now, finally, we're going to go through calculated field and items. These are more advanced calculations that you can put in your pivot table. Then we'll go through pivot charts, how to show charts with your pivot table data, and that is a great way to present your data. Then we'll go through some conditional formatting to put some color into your numbers so you can make them stand out to your boss. And then we'll go through a few of bonus tips there, and we cover the new Microsoft 365 pivot table features that they are releasing. So you can go and have a look at the table of contents there. There are a lot of different tips that we go through. Now, you also get an easy to read step-by-step guide with color screenshots. Now, this is in color, as you can click on that. You can see pivot tables are in color, and it is nice and bright. Now, you also get step-by-step instructions of how to create each tip. Now, this isn't a typical book. You can call this more of a training manual. You also get, for each tip, downloadable practice workbooks for each pivot table tip with solutions, so you can practice. The best way is to practice what we teach you. We have the data there. We also have the final pivot table, so you can create your pivot table, practice, go along each step, make mistakes. That is fine. I make mistakes as well, and that's the best way to learn. So you get downloadable practice workbooks to keep forever. This PDF ebook is also interactive and searchable, so you can type in anything in the PDF and then it'll go straight to the tip. And also we have the new pivot table tips for Microsoft 365. So for the next few hours only, we're giving 50% off to promote this ebook. So make sure to click on the add to cart and grab this ebook and start learning Excel. Once you learn pivot tables, you're just going to advance your Excel skills and your analytical skills. And it's going to reduce your repetition, stress, and overtime. And finally, once you have those skills, you're going to stand out from the crowd and have better chances of getting a promotion, a pay rise, or a new job. And I want to make that dream possible for you. So click on the add to cart, get 50% off today, and I can't wait to make you better at Excel.